Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, PANASONIC GH5, and now I'm gonna show you all you need to know about mic level limiter, how to enable it, how to disable, and I will try explain you what is that. So to find it, you need to open the settings. In the settings, you can find the recording settings, and the first thing you have here, first option is mic level limiter. So this setting, it controls the maximum input gain. So it have the abbreviature like MIG. So this is the level for audio recording. So here is, for example, when you have off feature enabled, so when it's disabled, so when mic is disabled, so there is no maximum limit imposed on the input gain. So this means the audio signal can potentially exceed safe levels, leading to clipping or distortion if the input volume is too high. However, it allows for more flexibility in capturing, for example, quieter sounds without being constrained by a limit. So you need to try to record the video with this function and without this, and check which recording will be better. When you enable it, so of course the level limiter sets a maximum limit on the input gain to prevent the audio signal from peaking and distortion. So this helps to protect against the clipping and ensures that the recorded audio remains with a safe range. While this setting can help prevent audio distortion, it may also result in a quieter audio levels. So particularly if the input signal is naturally very loud, for example in concerts, when someone screaming or have microphone slightly maybe behind the face, and in this situation, of course, it can help or prevent to capture good sound. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.